Hello, dear students. Greetings of the day. I welcome you to online classes of Bloomingbird School Sambal. Today we are going to study geography, the first chapter of geography, which is about representation of geographical features. Representation of geographical features. Now you must be thinking about the name of chapter. Okay, what does that it mean? What is representation and what is the meaning of geographical features? So all the features of Earth, whether man-made or physical features, are called geographical features. Like we can categorize geographical features into two categories. First is physical feature and second is cultural or man-made features. Now what are the physical features? Physical features like various landforms, mountains, plateaus, deserts, rivers, all these physical things are called physical features of Earth. Whereas the things which are made by man or us, those things are called cultural features or man-made features. Now, the question comes that suppose if there is a mountain or there is a desert or there are human settlements, how can we represent these geographical features on a piece of paper, on map, right? So usually we have maps. There are different types of maps which are on the basis of scale, like here we are having large scale maps and small scale maps. Okay, so on these maps we represent all these features. Now so you are having limited space on paper. On that limited space, how can you represent all these features of Earth without occupying much space or spoiling things on paper, without making it more much dense, or you can say things which could not be understood, right? So suppose if I draw mountains here, I draw desert here, and all such things on this small area, then what will happen? All things will get accumulated, and these things will occupy entire space, and we will not be able to understand anything, right? So how can we represent such features? Suppose I am representing mountains. So will I make mountain here? No, right? If I'll make mountains here, then what will happen? Hills and mountains, then all this region will be covered by mountain only, right? So how can I represent mountain on map, right? And then suppose if one well is there or one river is there, so how will I represent river? Will I make a river there? Or if desert is there, how will I represent desert? If houses are there, suppose if so many houses are there, so will I make all the houses here? If I'll draw the houses, then it will become more like a painting, okay, not like a map, okay. If it is a painting, then what will happen? We will not be able to draw, we will not be able to fill more information in it, okay, right? And the space of this page will be occupied, right? So in order to represent such physical as well as cultural features, physical features like mountains, rivers, deserts, cultural features like settlements, houses, right, the things which are made by human beings, these all things we need to have certain signs and symbols or some special or particular lines like contour lines, okay. With the help of these lines and conventional symbols, we can add much information in the map, right, without occupying much space here, right? So that thing we are going to study in this chapter, that is called representation of geographical features, right? So we know that there is a map. We have already studied about maps. We know there are two types of maps up to your class, that it is physical map as well as political map, okay, which you know. But there are more categories of maps also which you will study in higher classes, right? Now I am going to introduce one more type of map which is called topographical map or topo sheet. We have studied such type of maps. I have drawn in front of you two types of map. This is ordinary map and this is topographical map or topo sheet. So our topic is topographical map. You have already studied about all these physical as well as cultural maps, okay? Sorry, physical as well as political maps, okay? So this is ordinary map and this is topographical map or topo sheet. Clear? Now the question comes, okay, what are topographical map and how they are different from these types of maps? Topographical maps are large scale maps which gives us detailed information of a small area. Like suppose, unlike this is what? This is India, right? Entire country I have drawn here. This is not a small area, this is very, very big area. Clear? On very small piece of paper I have drawn here, right? So I will not be able to get much detail about of Sambal here, right? Where is Sambal in this map? Sambal may be somewhere here, okay? So at this place, Sambal is here. It will be of dot size, okay? So can I add various information of Sambal in this this much space? No, I'll not be able to do that, right? So means we can say that we are having very general information in such types of small scale maps, okay, right? Whereas in large scale maps, what do we have? We have much details of a smaller area, right? Like suppose here I have drawn this one, okay? This is a topo sheet, right? Or topographical map. Topographical map gives us detailed information of a small area, right? Like suppose I have drawn this, right? Let me show you in book what topographical maps look like. See here. This is a topographical map. If you can see here, this is a topographical map. Here you can see these lines 90, 92, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. These lines are northings, and these lines 82, 83, 84, 85, these are eastings. These all things, right? And here this is river, right, shown here. These are the settlements, okay, or the group of houses. This is settlement, a village maybe, right? And here also right? So this is a topographical sheet. I hope that you must have got an idea about topographical sheet. How does it look like? Okay. Now I have shown you topographical sheet. Now let me explain you what is topographical sheet or topographical maps. Okay. So topographical map or topographical sheet or ordnance survey map, these are the three names of same thing. Okay. Here this is a small scale map, it is large scale map. In this map, this is a small scale map, this is large scale map. In this you can not have detailed information of a small area. Like suppose a small area, Sambal is here, okay, so you cannot have detailed information. But here in these types of map you can have detailed information of a small area like Sambal or Raisatti or something like that. Okay. So what I have done here, I have tried to represent various geographical features on both the things. Here I have represented with the help of a line here, mountain range is moving, okay, this is Himalaya, and then again this is river Narmada again with the line, and here I have shown here, right, this region as Thar Desert, okay. So this is how I have represented here, right. How do we represent such other geographical features on map as well as on topo sheet? Clear? Like suppose here I have shown this Himalaya here like this, and here I have shown this mountain by drawing these lines in a form of conical hill. As you can see here, the pattern of this line or the shape of these lines is looking like conical hill, right? These lines are in brown color, okay, and they are numbered also, like it is number 2000, it is 2100, 2200, 2300, clear? So these lines are called contour lines. These contour lines tells us about the height of this place. So you can say the height of this place is increasing, right? And it is looking like a conical hill. So I have shown this hill with the help of these contour lines. These contour lines are all over this topo sheet, okay? I have not drawn because it will would have become quite hodgepodge, okay? And you will not be able to understand it what I have done here. So all over these brown colored lines will be there, so that you can understand about the height of this particular place. Like suppose if one brown line is here, right, this is brown line, and here it is written 100, right? So it means it is 100 meters. This the height of this region is 100 meter. And again suppose if one line is here moving, right, like this, and it's written here 200, it means okay, this is the contour line in brown color which is showing the height of this region 200. So here 200 and here 100, okay. So this is higher and this is lower, getting or not, like this. So like this, these lines are all over drawn, and these lines shows us what? The height of a place, right? Then again I have shown here, right, in this white color region, this is desert, okay, or barren land where we cannot grow anything. So I have shown it with white color, okay. Now I have shown here, this is Deepasarai, I have shown this is the river Deepasarai, these are the houses, okay, and I have made here boxes, okay. These boxes, or you can say rectangle, these boxes are the conventional symbol for houses, okay. So here a group of houses, it means some village or some locality is there. So I have made Deepasarai here, and I have made Chaudhary Sarai here, okay. And then again here these four boxes are there, it means four huts are there, or one village is there. So this is Jalalpur I have drawn, okay. Now these two lines are connecting Deepasarai and Chaudhary Sarai. So these two lines are metalled road or Pakka road, right? And there is only one line connecting this Deepasarai to Jalalpur. This is what? This is a car track, Kacha road, okay? Getting or not? And here I have drawn this. This is the symbol, conventional symbol of well, okay, line well. So this well is connected with Deepasarai by a pack track. Pack track is called Pagdandi, okay. So this is pack track, and then again I have drawn this tube well. This tube well is again connected with Chaudhary Sarai and Deepasarai by a pack track. So here you can see that there are two lines, and these two lines stands for metal road or Pakka road. That is a conventional sign. And again we need to show the card track, okay, and card track is drawn by a single color, a single line in red color. These lines all are in red color, okay. So this is again one more conventional sign, okay. And then we have shown the dotted line, or this line's break line, okay, joining Deepasarai with this well. This is called pack track, okay. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the tracks. Okay, this is road, this is car track, this is pack track, and these are the symbols, right? Conventional symbols to represent these features. Road, this is man-made feature or right, or cultural feature, right? So these features are shown with the help of some symbols which is called conventional signs. Okay, likewise I have used color here. This color is white. Okay, so white color is showing us what? It is showing us a land which is barren, where we cannot grow something. And then again here I have taken this blue color. Okay, this is well, and I have taken blue color. So blue color indicates some water body. Here also blue color, here also blue color, and in this river also blue color, right? So this is what? This is a topo sheet. It is having detailed information about this place. Okay, with the help of contour lines and color gradients and conventional signs, we are able to tell about even minute detail of this place. Okay, so such types of maps are called topographical maps, right? Topographical, as name itself suggests, topo, it has been derived from Latin word topos and graphos. Topos means land, graphos means drawing, right? So how do we draw the land? Okay, the earth surface, like earth surface is here. So somewhere it is rolling, somewhere it is flat, somewhere it is plain, somewhere it is mountainous, somewhere it is you can say having ridges or depressions. So how we will draw these all features of land? Okay, right? That type, the map in which we draw such features are called topographical maps, right? So these are the topographical maps. Getting or not? So I have explained you meaning of topographical map in detail. Now next portion of our syllabus is about the colors. Just give me a second, please. Uses of color, right? Topographical map I have shown you, and I have also told you that how do we represent various features with the help of colors, contour lines, as well as conventional signs. So first of all, we will start again with the topic use of colors. What use of colors? I have already told you, right? If we use different colors in topo sheets in order to show various cultural as well as physical feature of earth. Like first color is blue color, right? So blue color is used to show water bodies. Now you have to remember that if a water body is shallow, right? If a water body is shallow, then we will use light blue color. If a water body is deep, then we will use very dark blue color, right? If it is shallow, then light color. If it is deep, then dark color. Clear? This is about blue. So we use what? This color in order to show various water bodies. Like suppose here one water body is here, well, okay, so this is in blue color. Color chalk is white. I don't have colored chalk here, so I'm telling you what is the color of this. Okay, it is blue color, right? It is blue. And again this tube well again water body, so it is blue color. River, blue color, right? So with the help of colors we can represent various features of earth. Okay, then so here water bodies like seas, oceans, lakes, rivers, and all water bodies can be represented with the help of blue color. Then next is green color. Which color? Green color. Green color is used to represent or show forest, right? Forest or natural vegetation like orchards, scrubs, and scattered trees also. Like one tree is here, another tree is there. Okay, so that is what green color. Green color is what? For natural vegetation or vegetation. Then next is brown color. Brown color, I have already told you that the color of contour lines is brown. Okay, so brown color is associated with the height. Okay, or brown color is used for showing mountains also. So brown color is used to show altitude of an area, height of an area, right? And generally brown lines are drawn to depict the height by marking the lines with numbers. Marking the lines with numbers. So this is the brown lines, and we have marked it with numbers. These are called contour lines. Okay, and we express so mountains, hills, or other high landforms with the help of brown color. Then there is yellow color. Yellow color, right, is related to cultivated area or farming. Cultivated area or farming. So suppose if here Jalalpur is there, right, and there is a, you can say, if Jalalpur is here, then here will be our school, Blooming Birds School here. Okay, and I am right now in class 3rd near library, so I can see fields, okay, from the window, right? Getting or not? So these fields, or this entire area which is between our school and Jalalpur, this entire area, right, is cultivable area or cultivated area or farming area, right? So how will I show this area? With the help of yellow color. What I will do? This much area is suppose where farming is going on, right? So I will show it with yellow color, right? This is Blooming Birds School. This is Jalalpur, right? And here, what we can do? Here we can show this area with the help of yellow color, right? Then after that, we are having white. Let me check the duration of video. It should not be too much long. 23 minutes. Just one more second, okay? White color is used to express the deserts or barren land or wastelands, okay? Uncultivated, barren means which is not fertile, barren, and right, wastelands also, right, the land which is not being used, wastelands, uncultivated lands, and barren lands are shown with the help of white color, right? Then after that we are having red color. Red color, it is used to express human settlements. Like I have shown these settlements. These are the houses. You can say huts, right? Or houses, right? So these are in red color. Which color? Red color, right? These are in red color. Okay. So red color is used to show which geographical feature, man-made or cultural geographical feature of Earth. That is what? That is human settlement. Human settlement. And then other than this, huts are also shown in red color, canals, and other than this, what? Roads, eastings and northings. eastings and northings. So human settlements, huts, canals, roads, eastings and northings are also shown in red color. So these lines which are running horizontally like this, okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these lines, okay, 24, 25, 26, 21 to 26, these vertical lines as well as horizontal lines. These lines are called, these horizontal lines are called northings, and these vertical lines are called eastings, okay. These are northings and these lines are eastings, okay, getting or not? So these lines are also expressed or also drawn in red color, okay. Then after that, these human settlements or huts are drawn in red color, and then the road, like this is a road, right, two lines joining Deepa Sarai with Chaudhary Sarai, right. This is showing us metalled road or pakka road. These lines are also red color, okay. And then how Jalalpur is connected with Deepa Sarai? By a cart track, kacha road, okay. So this one line, okay, which is drawn, this line is of red color, okay. So this is also, right, so the roads are also shown in red colors, eastings and northings are shown in red colors, human settlements are shown in red colors, okay. So this was about the topographical maps and use of colors in topographical maps in order to show various geographical features, geographical cultural features as well as physical features. I hope you would have understood everything. Thank you so much. Bye. So dear students, as in the last portion of video, this topo sheet, this green board was not clear. So I have just readjusted camera here. See, you can see now topo sheet very clearly. So let me explain you it again very fast. These lines which I have drawn in circular are contour lines. Contour lines are drawn in brown color, and the height of that place is also written here, like 2000, 2100, 2200, 2300. And then after that, what I have shown here, this is you can say here I have shown Himalaya and here it is mountain, okay, Himalaya you can say, right, or some conical hill you can say. Then after that, here I have shown desert in white color, here I have shown settlements, here we have shown here river in blue color, okay. And then here I have shown settlement Deepa Sarai and settlement Chaudhary Sarai. These settlements are shown in rectangular red colored boxes, right. Deepa Sarai is connected with Chaudhary Sarai by a metal road, and the conventional sign for this metal road is two parallel red color lines, and Deepa Sarai is connected with village Jalalpur by car track, and the conventional sign for this is a single red color line. And here Deepa Sarai as well as Chaudhary Sarai, these are connected with this tube well. Tube well, the conventional sign for tube well is this triangle in blue color, and this is joined with pack track. Pack track is, you can say, broken red color line, broken red color line. And then here this is well is shown in blue color circle, which is again joined with Deepa Sarai by a pack track. Pack track again the red color line or red color broken line or dotted line you can say. Then again this is a contour line showing the height of this place 100, okay. So this was all about contour lines. These are the northing 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06. How north we are moving, 01, 02 as we are moving towards north, and these are eastings as we are moving towards east. This is 21 and then 22 easting, 23 easting, 24 easting, 25 easting, 26 easting. We are moving towards east. So these are northing and eastings. Now let me focus it on the things which we have studied here. Okay, so here we have studied about use of colors. Use of colors. Use of colors, as you can see, blue color is used to show water bodies like ocean, seas, lakes, rivers, ponds, wells, tube wells. Green color is used to show or represent natural vegetation, scrubs, forest. Brown color is used to express or show or represent height, altitude, and mountains, hills. And yellow color is used to show cultivated area or cultivable land, farming or agricultural land. White color is used to show uncultivated or barren or wasteland where we are not able to do cultivation or farming. Then red color is used to show human settlements, that red boxes I have already shown you. And the huts, canals, roads, eastings and northings. That was all about this chapter. Okay, now let me readjust this camera, and you can have now you can have a screenshot of this entire board. Thank you so much.